Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is create a Perl program that lists files that are bigger than 1 megabyte. So first of all we create a subroutine called large files. Then I use the print command and put C://. So this is a prompt for the user because we're going to search a path. Then I use the chomp and create a scalar variable called path and assign it to standard input. This will grab the input that the user types in. So the user will type in a path up here, which will be something like C:// users / name / desktop, something like that on Windows. And then what we do is we use the chdir change directory into this path, and we've got a generic error handler here called or die, and it'll throw an error message like error if that path that the user typed in is like a misaligned path, or if it's wrong or something, there's an error in it or something like that. Then what we do is we create an array here called files, assign it to glob, and then we load all these files into the path here. Okay, so we're going to load it into that array, all the files into that array there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to loop through each file using the for each loop and create a scalar variable called file. So we're going to iterate over all these files in this array and use the conditional here because we're going to do an evaluation. So we use the if conditional. So if, and we've got this flag here called f, so that's file, scalar file, and we've got the flag s here, which is for size. The file is greater than 1 megabyte here. Print the file, and then we interpolate the scalar variable into the string file bigger than 1 megabyte. Or else, this is the catch-all here, then we print this file, interpolate the file into the string again, is smaller than 1 megabyte. Okay, we're going to test this out, and I'm going to test it out on a folder on my desktop, I think. So let's run it. Let's make it a little bit bigger so you can actually see what's going on. And we're going to type in C users mark desktop. There's a folder on here that's got a lot of stuff that I just dump into it. So I think it's called everything. Okay, that's spelt wrong as well. That would have thrown an error straight away. Okay, there we go. So let's hit enter. And okay, so it's gone through that. Let's make it a little bit smaller so we can actually see. Smaller than 1 megabyte, smaller than 1 megabyte. Let's have a look. Small. Most of my files. Oh, there we've got one here. A PowerPoint which is bigger than 1 megabyte. So we've got another one here. Vocab games and activities which is bigger than 1 megabyte. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I'll just give you a quick zoom in on that. So thank you very much for watching the video, and remember, if you like the video, hit that subscription button below, give it a big thumbs up, drop me a comment, and watch out for my other videos which are coming soon, and I'll see you later. Bye.